Hello, I'm SEOP and welcome to my channel. I'm using English right now and I can speak English, but it's not easy for me when I make video. So because of that, I recorded my old video with my mother language, Korean, and I uploaded English subtitles that I edited manually by my hand to make it sense. So if you want to understand my language, you can check translation. So if you're using cell phones, you can see right upper corner and CC button, push that and change it to English. Or if we are using Mac or PC, right down corner and gear shaped button, click that and change it to English. In the future, maybe I can make video with English, but I don't know how long time will take it. But right now or future, I will practicing or try it with English. So if you have question or something, just leave comment and I can answer it with English. Yep. Thanks for watching. I will come back with another video. Thank you.